Several schools in Delhi NCR today have been evacuated after receiving a bomb threat via email. Police officials are on the site. They are conducting thorough search operations. Among the prominent schools, the Sanskriti School, Mother Mary School at Mayur Vihar, and the Delhi Public School in Dwarka. These were the first schools. Now we're learning, according to the Delhi police, that over 100 schools in Delhi have in fact received these hoax emails, following which the Delhi police has conducted a thorough search operation across all schools, which have been thoroughly searched and cleared. The Delhi police, speaking to NDTV, has constantly maintained that there is absolutely no need for panic. If you're a concerned parent who's watching this, there is no need for panic whatsoever. This is what we are being told at the moment, that all search and operations across the schools have been completed following the hoax call that was in fact made. And the Lieutenant Governor, in fact, has also taken stock of the situation. He was at a school earlier today where he said that the email, the origin of the email has in fact been traced. The Home Ministry has also said there's absolutely no need to panic and that an investigation, a thorough investigation, will be done in the case.
I would like to state that we have received multiple calls from schools regarding the threat of planting bombs in them. So we are taking all appropriate measures. Thorough checks are being done at all the locations from wherever we are receiving these information. So nothing untoward has been found in any of these schools. So I guess the primary objective looks like it was to create a panic. So I request all the parents not to panic. Let us do our job, and thorough investigation will be done on why and how it has happened. Because it has been done in a very systematic way where multiple schools at the same time have been given this information. So primary objective could be to spread panic. So that's why I would like to tell the parents not to panic. We are doing whatever is required to ensure safety and security of all the schools and children. So, not to panic is the motto. Just remember that we are doing everything possible, and up till now, we have been searching, we have been taking all precautionary measures and nothing has been found. That's the key.
मैं इस बात को दिल्ली की जनता को एश्योर करना चाहता हूं कि दिल्ली पुलिस पूरी तरीके से मुस्तैद है और हमारी कोशिश होगी कि हम किसी भी अप्रिय घटना को नहीं होने दें। दिल्ली पुलिस ने अभी पता कर लिया है कि ये मेल्स कहाँ से आ रहे हैं, जांच चल रही है। मैं इतना ही सिर्फ कहना चाहूँगा कि जो कल्प्रिट्स हैं बख्शे नहीं जाएंगे, उनको बहुत सख्त सज़ा मिलेगी जिन्होंने भी दिल्ली में अमन चैन को तोड़ने की कोशिश की है।
ये बेसिकली जो हमें इंफॉर्मेशन मिली तो सुबह 4:15 बजे के आसपास कई जगह सेम मेल कंटेंट सबको मेल किया गया और इसके बाद हमने इमीडिएटली वी स्वंग इनटू एक्शन और हमने सारे प्रिकॉशनरी मेजर्स लेते हुए बच्चों की सिक्योरिटी देखते हुए सब जगह चेकिंग कराई और स्कूल्स एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के साथ डिसीजन लेते हुए कई जगह को स्कूल्स को बच्चों को जो अपने वो घर भी चले गए हैं और सभी स्कूल्स में चेकिंग अभी जारी है और ये जो मेल है इस पे इन्वेस्टिगेशन हमारी दिल्ली पुलिस की जितनी भी टेक्निकल इन्वेस्टिगेशन विंग्स हैं सारी कर रही हैं और फर्दर अभी इसमें इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रहे हैं।
हमें अपनी जांच में फिलहाल कुछ नहीं मिला है, तो ये मदर मेरी स्कूल की कहानी है उसकी तस्वीर है और मैं आपको एक बार फिर
सर क्या कुछ बात है, आप लोगों ने जांच पड़ताल किया है वहाँ पर, पूरा स्कूल चेक हो गया है?
All right, we have Tanushka joining us on the phone line for more on this story. Tanushka, where are you at the moment and what is the situation on the ground?
I'm currently outside DPS RK Puram. The school out here looks entirely desolate. There is nobody out here other than the security staff of the school. And this is, of course, this comes after over 100 Delhi schools that have received alleged bomb threats over email. What I'm getting to know right now is that these emails that the Delhi police is finding so much time, taking so much time to find out the IP address of these emails is because they were sent via a VPA. They were sent via access taken from international networks, and which is why it's taking time to trace the IP address. However, the Ministry of Home Affairs also ensures right now that there is no need to panic. Everyone from DPS RK Puram has been evacuated. All the children are at their homes right now safely. And the Delhi police is reiterating this, that there is nothing to panic about right now. Nothing suspicious has been found from any of the schools right now. We have the Delhi LG who's at a school in Model Town right now. And even he says that there's nothing to panic about. And this is all that I have right now. The police is still on the statement that this is a hoax. This is a bomb hoax.
All right, Tanushka Datta there reporting live on this story from one of the schools. And remember, there were over 100 schools that received these threat emails. And while, of course, schools sprung into action, evacuation processes were carried out and children were sent back home, examinations also stopped. The Delhi police has maintained that this is nothing but a hoax, and therefore there is absolutely no need for parents to panic. Amid this scare, the Ministry of Home Affairs has also put out a message on their social media handle X saying that there is absolutely no need to panic. The Lieutenant Governor has visited a school as well, taken stock of the situation, and said again to parents that there is absolutely no cause for alarm. These were hoax emails that were sent out earlier this morning, acting upon which schools were evacuated. These are over 100 schools across the National Capital Region. The Delhi Lieutenant Governor now, in fact, has said that the origin of these emails has, in fact, been traced. It's going to be very important for the police to act on this in a timely manner in order to be able to ascertain who was behind these hoax calls that have, remember, sent thousands of people in a tizzy this morning. Delhi police, they're reiterating that there is absolutely no cause of concern and no need to worry over these hoax emails.